Okay, well here we go. We're doing a DPCHIP installation on a Mitsubishi Pajero. It's a lovely 3.2 common rail. Now these things have got fairly good grunt already. They've been around for quite a while. But by the time this is all done and secured up and everything, you can see the sort of gains that we're getting out of these things. There's a variety of the Pajeros because autos and manuals had different specs. But in total you end up with sort of about the 50 Newton metre or so gain in torque, which equates to on the road about probably the best chance of half a gear or more better. So where you would normally be jumping back a gear on a big hill or when you're towing a load, you'll be able to stay in that gear. So I just secured this thing up to the flywall. The DPCHIP's a solid state resin dipped board, so basically they're waterproof, and it connects down in on the engine. There's some factory plugs down the back and it can be unplugged at any time. So when you've got vehicles that are like this that are new under warranty, you can easily unplug the DPCHIP, take it in for your service and then re-plug it in when it's finished. That's just one of the many benefits. Of course, one of the big ones is the power gains. Now when you're doing towing, these power gains can equate to, of course, slightly better economy because you're in a gear higher, or your foot's off a little bit, or you're just not down a gear revving the daylights out of it. You wouldn't think you need to do that with common rail diesels, but it's certainly a fact of life with them. So for more information, you can look us up at dpchip.com, or you can, of course, message our Facebook right here.